Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a zero waste haul for you guys. You really seem to enjoy my last one of these, which I'll of course link up on the screen and down below for you if you missed it. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys some different products I've picked up, mostly in like the beauty and personal care realm that you guys can switch to. There's just super easy swaps you can make to start reducing your waste. I ordered some stuff from Package Free Shop, from Lush, and I think one thing from Amazon. Those are definitely like my go-to stores for this kind of thing. I also wanted to mention this is definitely a collective haul. This is stuff I've gotten over the past few months and weeks. Basically everything I've gotten since the last video I did. Because of course it would be counterproductive to just throw out all of your stuff and buy all new stuff. This is just stuff I've been buying as I've been using up all of my old stuff. Okay, just kidding. I just want to say one more thing. I wanted to share my outfit with you guys. I thought this was so cute. This is actually a jumpsuit. I hauled it a while ago in one of my thrift hauls, and I just put this sweater on top of it, and I think it looks super cute, and I realized you wouldn't be able to see the pants when I was sitting down and filming, so I had to share. And then of course we got some penguin slippers because it's kind of freezing. Okay, so I actually have made 2 orders from Package Free Shop in the past few months, and the first one unfortunately got lost in the mail, but they were super kind and actually sent me another one free of charge. But I had been planning on ordering a floss from Geo Organics that was vegan. At the time I didn't realize it wasn't compostable, and they were out of that one. So instead they sent me one from Dental Lace. I feel like Dental Lace is kind of like the most well-known of like zero waste flosses. Basically it comes in like cardboard and compostable plastic packaging, and then the actual floss you put in this little glass jar, and you can just keep getting a refill, so you don't have to get a new container every time. But it is made of silk, which I am vegan, and that's just not something I prefer to use. So since I have this, and since I'm also zero waste, I've been deciding to just use this one up. So yes, if you're interested in this one, I'll have this one linked down below, but I'll also have another one I found that I believe is both vegan and compostable. I'll have that link down below, and I believe, how many times can I say I believe? I think that one should fit in these jars as well, so maybe if you already have one of those, I'm hoping again I can just put it back in this container so I don't have to get a new one. But yeah, this one does work very well. It's nice and sturdy, does the job. I think we all know how to floss, so that's all I'll say about that. A little bit of a fail, but we're getting there. And hopefully since I had the fail, now you guys won't have the fail, so that's good. And then the second thing I got was a menstrual cup. This is from Luna Cup. It came in like cardboard, of course, and then they just give you this little bag so you can carry it around with you. And yeah, this was about $40 I think, which sounds expensive, but it's like a one-time purchase for the next 10 years. This is all you need. Yeah, it just looks like this. I'm thinking about doing an entire video about sustainable periods, so please leave a comment down below if you want to see that. I really liked switching to this. I would really recommend it. With my second order, which actually just arrived yesterday, I decided to get another thing in terms of reducing my waste in terms of my period, and that is I got a reusable liner. They also do pads and stuff. This is from the brand Glad Rags. So like they literally specialize in these. It's organic cotton, and the idea is that you just use it and then you can wash it and keep reusing it. Since I got this yesterday, I haven't had a chance to actually try this out yet. Again, if I do another video, I'll give you guys a way more in-depth review of this. And then the next thing I got is a hairbrush. I had literally been using like a teeny tiny plastic travel hairbrush that I got as like a stocking stuffer. Yeah, I'd been using that for about like 3 years, so it was time to finally get a good hairbrush. This was $26, which is a little pricier in terms of all of the different wooden hairbrushes I looked at, but a lot of them I couldn't actually figure out like where the rubber came from, or they were coated in beeswax, which again I'm not comfortable with. So I reached out to Package Free Shop because they mentioned that the wood was compostable, but they didn't mention what the pad was made out of, and they were super nice and they responded to me, and it is natural rubber, which as far as I understand is both vegan and compostable. So when I'm done using this, which will hopefully not be for a very long time, I could theoretically compost the entire thing, which is cool. And so yeah, I used this last night and this morning. It works well as a hairbrush. I'm a big fan of like the paddle brush shape. I think they have a few other different styles and stuff, but it brushes my hair, and that's all I could ask for. So I really like this. And then I just got one more thing from Package Free Shop, and this is a little natural loofah. This was like $3.50. So pretty inexpensive, pretty affordable, and basically this just replaces like your plastic scrubby. It comes as like a little flattened thing, and then when you activate it with water, it like expands. I almost said shrinks, but no, it expands. And I used this last night just with my body wash. I thought it was a little bit rougher than a plastic one. Maybe it like softens up over time. If you have one of these, please let me know what you think of it. But yeah, so far I like it. I have one more thing before we hop into Lush, and that I actually just picked these up at Walmart. And they're these little like soap saver thingies. These ones are made of plastic, but I'll link some down below that are made out of plant plastic, which my boyfriend got those ones. And basically you just put like your bare soaps and bars on them so that all the oils don't drip out. It just helps like preserve like the composition of the bar, if you will. I don't really know how to phrase that. Yeah, I like them. I just keep these in my shower with my little bars on top. So yes, moving on to Lush. This is a shampoo bar I got. I think it's called Jumping Juniper. It has like juniper and lavender in it. If you watched my last video, which I'll have linked up here, I got a pink one from them, and that one was just a little bit too oily for me since I am like dancing and sweating every day. This one just does a better job of clarifying my hair, so I like this one. And I haven't switched to a conditioner bar yet because I'm still using up a bottle from Pacifica, but I'm of course going to make that switch soon. I have another Naked product. This one is a body wash. It's shaped like a little body wash, which is pretty cute. This is American Cream, so it smells like strawberries, which I like. But let's be honest, I mostly just got it because it was pink. And we all know that's my favorite color. But yeah, basically you just like rub it on like your scrubby or your washcloth or whatever you use, and it lathers up nicely and it smells good, and it cleans all that nasty sweat and stuff that I get from dancing. So I really like it. And then I have one more Naked product from them. This is a hand soap, which I just keep on this little dish from Target. It's called Milk Bar, and this one is made of like soy milk and orange, so it smells nice, and the soy milk is supposed to help moisturize your hands. I mostly just got it because it was the cheapest soap they have, but I actually have really ended up liking it, and I definitely think I would repurchase this. So like I said, I just use it to wash my hands, and then I also use it to wash my face sometimes in the mornings, just because, you know, it's right there on my counter. It's super easy. And then I just thought I showed you a few face masks. These aren't really technically zero waste because obviously they come in plastic, but Lush does recycle and reuse their plastic, so I would consider this like a low waste option. And honestly, I don't know of any zero waste face masks unless you were to make your own, so this is definitely a great option that's out there. So the first one I have is Rosy Cheeks. This one has calamine and rose in it, and it's pink, so let's be honest, that's why I got it. I think this one I actually got free because I brought in like 5 of these containers, which they recycle like I said, and then you get a free one, which is cool. So this one just smells like roses, which I think is just heavenly. But it's super like soothing and moisturizing and just really nice to use. This other one my boyfriend actually got for free because he just started working at Lush. So I will definitely be getting some more Lush goodies soon, which I'm very excited for. So please let me know if you want to see like a whole just entirely Lush haul, because like their Christmas stuff just came out. So I would definitely love to do that. Let me know what you guys think. But this one is called Catastrophe Cosmetic. I've used this one before. It has calamine again and blueberries. So it's blue, which is super fun. I used this one last night, and this one does a really great job of cleansing my skin. Like all the pores around my nose always look so much cleaner after I use this one. And then with the calamine and everything, it's also really soothing. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys, I ordered from Amazon, and this is definitely one of my favorite zero waste swaps I've made so far in my journey, and that is switching to a metal safety razor. This was about like $14, I think, so really not expensive. And then all you have to do after that is buy blades, which are super cheap. So this is definitely like a great one if you're also hoping to save some money when you go zero waste. I would really recommend these. I of course got a rose gold one because we know I'm a hoe for pink things. But yeah, I used to cut myself so much while shaving, and I know people are mostly intimidated by these because the blade is just so exposed, but I literally like never nick myself anymore. It is wonderful. I find it so much easier to shave with one of these, honestly. I really could not recommend these enough. And even the blades, which in and of themselves are super cheap, I find that they've lasted me a really long time. I didn't order any extra ones. I just got the one that it automatically came with, and it lasted me for over 2 months.
which is crazy. And then my boyfriend gave me one of his, which is how I still have one. And then I'll probably order some more of my own. This one has been a huge money saver, and it looks so much better than a plastic razor. Honestly, just for the aesthetics, please switch to one. Like, that's reason enough, I think. Yeah, that's gonna be everything for this video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please, please, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with a friend. It would really help to support my channel so much. I'm hoping to hit 200 subscribers by the end of the year. That's like my little goal for myself right now, so I would love it if you could help me with that. And of course, please leave a comment if you'd love to see a huge Lush haul. Also, I'm curious, like, have you made any of these swaps as well? What have you thought of them? Are there some other zero waste swaps you think I should make? I would love to just have a conversation with you guys in the comments. But yeah, on the screen you'll find a link to my last zero waste haul if you want to keep watching some more of this content. And yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.